I'll just pull up. Have you ever had one of those days that went something like this? I did. Hey guys, welcome back. Hope you're having a great day. Today we're actually working on my 2014 GMC Sierra, and what I'm going to show you how to do is kind of a quick video on changing the rear tail light, just the stop and the brake light, I guess, how to pull the housing out of the back of the truck. And so if you're doing this yourself, you've got a bit of an idea what you're getting yourself into. So we're going to get into that right now. So first off, what you're going to do is just open the, I had a really good experience at Capital Ford, Lincoln, or Regina, Saskatchewan, and I would go back there to buy a vehicle any day, but I just don't like seeing a Ford thing on the back of my GM truck. I just feel like it's devaluing it. So no offense to the Capital guys, but there, I feel like I've got something. Oh, that's just off my chest now. Anyway, okay, so let's get to putting a light on here and see how that goes. New bulbs in the 2014 Sierra, Chevy, Silverado, that sort of deal. You're looking for a, that's what you're looking for, a 7443 light. So I do have intentions to swap this truck to full LED, so I'm not too worried about it. I just needed these to get the blinker annoying thing that you saw there shut off. So here we go. This job, like most jobs, is quite simple. There's just two screws here. You just got to drop the tailgate. And then you need to get yourself a T15, Torx 15 bit. So whether you use that out of a kit or if you got a screwdriver that size, it's actually a pretty small Torx bit, but it's a T15. Okay, and then what it is there's two plastic clips that go straight into the side of the box on the back side there, and it just holds the light in like that, so it wouldn't fall out even if you bounced around without a screw in there probably. But what I like to do is just pull it out enough so you can get your fingers underneath the bottom and then on the top, and then it's quite a bit of force actually. It pops out and pop the bottom. There it goes. Whew. And then all the knobs, you just need to twist them and they pop out. Okay, and the light bulb just simply pulls straight out. Pop in. Top one here, pull straight out. Pops back in. It is important to note that you have different light bulbs for the reverse light, the 194 bulb for the side marker, the 921 for the reverse light, and then these are the 7443 ones. So this is a great time if you're interested in preserving your truck to clean all this stuff out. There's a bunch of dust in here. I've got a different project coming soon, so I'm going to be cleaning it out again, so I'm not too worried about it. But other than that, we'll just do the reassembly. So if you like the video, if you appreciate these little handyman quick tricks that you can do to save yourself the headache of going to the dealer, or maybe you just need to get this done in a hurry. I mean, the bulbs were $5-6, and as long as you got a T15 Torx bit, it'll take you, 5 minutes to change a taillight on your 2014 to 2018 Silverado Sierra. So not a big deal and easy job. Anybody can do it. I hope you guys appreciate this. I hope that you like the video, that you subscribe to my channel, and that you just, leave a comment if it's helpful to you, because that lets me know that this is helping you or not, and we'll look at something else if it's not. So you guys have a great day. Take care. There, my day just got a lot better. I hope yours is too.